Hi guys, welcome back onto my channel. This is Pixie. Today we're going to be doing a really fun and adorable craft for your Calico critters. This is Ariana, and yeah, so let's get into it. Before we get into it, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. I'm going to show you what we're going to be making today, and I think it's really cute. And this is really creative, and you can just really, do really whatever you want, depending on who you're doing it for. So here I have a Calico critter car, and this car is made out of some lunch containers. So if you have old lunch containers that you never use anymore, you can use them. Don't go and use your parents' good containers. That's a bad idea. The supplies you're going to need are lots of Sharpies. I have lots of fun colors in here. That's going to be cute. And then you also need your containers, of course. Now I have a lid because I'm going to be making a really cute truck. And so yeah, let's get into it. What you're first going to do is you're going to take your containers or container and simply kind of take it out and kind of design what you're going to do. So now, think of the car you're going to make. Now I'm going to make a truck, so try to get the truck shape. If you can't, that's okay. You're going to do great. I'm going to take this cup, and I'm actually going to simply just push it down here for the kind of like the back of the truck, maybe. And so I can also take this out if a kid's gonna sit in here or if I'm taking a big piece of equipment. Next, I'm gonna take the lid that will fit on here, and I'm gonna put this right here, kind of separating the stuff from the back, the seat from the back. Now, yes, these things might pop out, so if you want it to be removable, that's good. If you want it to be still, you can probably use glue, maybe, or maybe Velcro or something like that. This is going to be taking in and out, so yeah, you ready for the next step? The next step is we're going to color. So I have a couple of colors here. These aren't the colors I'm going to be using, but yeah. Now, if you want to get some lines that are really good and straight, what I would use is some tape. So you can like make some stripes or really whatever you want. Remember, there is this, if you have this, like your ounces and cups on there, it's fine. In this van, I kind of didn't really bother with it. It looks kind of cool. It looks kind of like the car's going fast. So if you want to cover it up, I suggest use black or whatever color it is. This step is, we're going to be coloring, the fun step. So you're going to take out all the containers and everything that is inside. And so now, this is going to be the base. And the base is going to have all the wheels on it and the license plates and the headlights. Now, I think it's a really cute idea is to get some Velcro. And if you have another one that's around the same size, maybe a little bit smaller, then you could put Velcro on the back. And then on the front of the other container, you put the other piece of Velcro, and then it's kind of like a really cute trailer. Now, I think that's a cute idea, but I don't have any more of these containers, so we're just going to be using this container to make a car. So now we're gonna, once we've put our stuff aside, we're going to get coloring. Now I want some stripes, so I'm going to add tape like I said. So all we're going to do is we're going to tape, sorry my hand's in the way, just get this piece. I'm going to go for small. I don't really want a big stripe, but that's okay. There is a big stripe. So all you're going to do is you're really going to put it where the tape where you really want the stripe to go. So I'm just going to put the right there. And like that, so then you can easily color on that. Now, since we're using Sharpies, don't use a ruler because it can get on, unless it's like a ruler that has a bunch of stuff on it and you're allowed to color on it. So, yeah, so I'm going to choose, I'm going to actually choose blue. I'm going to choose this big Sharpie that is a super Sharpie, and that's really big and it's black. So I'm going to color this. Give it to you. There we go. I put some really cute stripes on it. So now we're going to pull up the tape. As you can see, there's nothing, everything gets on the tape, but it doesn't go on the container. Now, what we're going to do to make it not, smothered, like if you touch it, then it can spread. Yeah. So you're going to want to blow it off. So I'm going to blow it off real quick. Now that I have blown it off, I am going to do it to the other side. Now that I have put the sides on, it is time to decorate. Now I'm going to show you how to draw the wheels. Now you can really draw them however you want. You could just do a circle. I have a really cute way how to do it that really looks like a wheel to me. And if you don't want to learn how to draw my way, you could just skip ahead. Okay, so now how we're going to do this is you're going to take a Sharpie. I have my Sharpie here. It's a little bit big, so if you have a smaller Sharpie, that's good. Let me grab my skinny Sharpie. It's black. You can use really any color, and you can also decorate it however you want, so that's the fun thing. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're actually going to take your Sharpie, of course, take off the cap, and then what you're going to do is you're actually just going to draw, a half circle. Just like that. Just like a moon shape. And then another circle. Now my marker's starting to dry out, so I'm going to have to kind of use it with my skinny marker. If this is a little bit too big for you, that's okay. There you go. And now you kind of like color that in, because you want to like have it in the black way. I think this looks really cute because if you couldn't see. I think this looks really cute because it looks like it's actually kind of moving, and it just shows a little bit of the wheel. Now, if you put it all the way, that'll look really cute too. I just really like this way. It's my way, it's my creative way, so you can use it if you want. Now, let's do it on this side too. There we go, we are done with the wheels. They look super cute. So now we're going to do the headlights. I'm going to choose this side to be my headlight side, so I'm actually going to grab my tiny Sharpie, and I'm going to get to it. Now, how we're going to do this is actually a kind of simple way. You kind of make a face, I think. Sorry, my hand's in the way. But you're going to just make a circle. This is really skinny. Now, I'm using this because I kind of like to trace. Sorry, my hand's in the way. I kind of like to trace what I'm doing first. So that's really cute. And then kind of make something kind of like that. It looks really cute, like kind of like a face. Next, take your bigger Sharpie and then trace around that line. If you don't have a bigger Sharpie, that's okay. Or if your Sharpie just like ran out of ink, that's okay. And then color it in. Kind of like that, kind of two really cute eyes. And then for the I would say mouth, kind of make some straight lines, kind of like that, kind of like teeth. Now, it really looks like a face right now. And then put just one line right through there. just like on the other car, we're gonna draw a line. It kind of connects the two stripes between the car. Kind of like that. You can see it kind of connects. And on the sides, you're gonna want to make the doors. So I'm just going to do a line, and then a little bit of a U shape. Now, this is a truck, so I'm only using one door, but you can make as many doors as you want. Gonna go down again, and then a little U shape. And there you go. There is your base of your car. Now, if you want to learn how to make the other stuff, there's a link down in the description for the next video. This is a two-parter, by the way, so yeah. Bye, my pixies, and I will see you next time.